Next question. A and B are two numbers such that A is 9, 10. Yeah, and 10. That's okay. वापस बताऊंगी. A and B 9 by 10 में and A में 12 है या B में 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है. The ratio becomes 15/4. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन अगर हम करेंगे 150 minus 126 is equal to 24 parts. 24 parts is equal to 228. One part is equal to 12. So A जो है वो 108 हो जाएगा, B जो है वो 120 हो जाएगा. The sum of A of 5/4 plus 120 into 3/5 is equal to 27. तो ये 135 plus 24 is equal to 72. So 207. 207 is the correct answer for this question. Next, a person invested some amount in two schemes, A and B, in the ratio XY respectively, and received equal interest from both schemes after 3 years. Okay. If the rate of interest from scheme A and scheme B is 5, तो ये जो रिटर्न जो है वो 21x है और ये जो रिटर्न है वो 15y है. They both are equal. X by y is equal to 5/7. Find the value of x and y. It's 5/7. Next. According to the will, the wealth of rupees 4,14,000 was divided between son and the daughter in the ratio 7:12 and 3:8. तो ये रेशियो आ गया 9. 14/9. How much share did son get? 4,14123 upon 14 into नहीं नहीं 23 into 14. So 21 ones are 21, 23 ones are 23, 8, 4. Uh, sorry. Okay. What is how much share did the son get? इसका शेयर जो है 9. तो 4140 upon 23 into 40. 21 ones are 23 ones are 23. 184. 18,000 into 14. 0012 114 25 2 000 is the answer which is correct. Now moving forward, 450 liters of mixture contains acid and water in the ratio 7:5. What amount of water should be added to the mixture? What amount of water should be added to the mixture so that ratio becomes 3/5? यहाँ पे 3 से यहाँ पे 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 7 into 15 21 into 35. तो ये जो है 36/4 450 है ना. तो इंटू 20. नेक्स्ट 99,000 is to be divided between A, B, and C. A, B, and C. The ratio of the A and B is 3 by 7, and the share of B is 5/7 of the share of C. So 5 by 7. The ऊपर 5 से multiply नीचे 7 से 15 by 35 is to 49. What is the difference between the share of A and C? So ये हो जाएगा 41, 84, 50, 99. So 1000 multiplied by difference between A and C is 34. 34,000 is the difference between them. Next, if the person distributes some candies among his four children in the ratio, four children में A, B, C, and D. ठीक है? So four children, 1 by 14, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, and 1 by 3. कि अगर सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर निकालने की इक्वेट करने की कोशिश करें तो इसका रेशियो 1/2 मतलब 14 आ जाएगा, और इसको इक्वेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो 3/9 आ जाएगा। फिर 9 और 14 का अगर एलसीएम ले लेंगे हम लोग तो मल्टीप्लाई भी करना पड़ेगा, तो यहाँ पे 9, 18 is to 14 is to 14 3 is 42, ये हो जाएगा। What is the minimum number of candies that a person must have? Minimum number of candies a person must have. Okay. Minimum number of candies a person must have. 9 का मल्टीपल चाहिए। 9 1 जा 9, 9 ये भी मल्टीपल है। 9 1 जा 9 ये मल्टीपल नहीं है, ये भी मल्टीपल नहीं है, ये मल्टीपल, ये दोनों में से कोई एक होगा। ऑप्शन के बेसिस पे ढूंढना पड़ेगा। अगर what is the minimum number of candies? What is the minimum and the average निकालना पड़ेगा, देखिए इसमें 27 plus 4 5 6 56 3 83 83. And what is the minimum number of candies the person must have? That is बताना है। अगर 7 का 9 1 जा 9, ये 14 हो जाएगा, ये 7 पास बनेगा। तो अगर यहाँ पे 63 है, 126 है, 98 है, 14 4, तब ये नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स हर एक के पास है। ये है नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स। यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग करेंगे 14, तो यहाँ पे 126 आ जाएगा, 14 इंचा, फिर भी ये बढ़ा इससे करना है। If a person distributes some candies among A, B, C, 1 by 40, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, and 1 by 3. इसको इक्वेट करना है तो ये हो जाएगा इतना। इसको इक्वेट करना है तो ये हो जाएगा इतना। अभी इधर 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इधर 9 से, इधर 14 से, और इधर 14 से, तो 14 से वाले। तो ये है टोटल रेशियो ऑफ ABCD। So what is the minimum number of candies that a person must have in 9 parts? But 9 parts का it's divisible by this also, it's divisible by this also. So Okay. Is the minimum number of candidates which have an average. Average कर भी सकते हैं चलो 9 plus 18 plus 14 plus 42 ये 10 10 plus 13 23 4 5 6 7 8 83 upon 4 is equal to 2 0.75 20.75 average. 20.75 is the average. What this is the average number of, but it's asked minimum. So I think 9 parts is the only minimum one could possibly have. अगर उनको सबको भी ज्यादा दूर दिया तो ये नहीं बचता है मुझे अपने आंसर 60 हो सकता है या फिर मैंने can possible. So I will just skip this and see data. Uh, in the forest, the number of tigers in forest, the number of tigers and elephants are in the ratio 3/5. If 40 tigers die and the ratio becomes 7/30, बट एलिफेंट का तो कुछ हुआ नहीं तो उनका रेशियो सेम करने के लिए 49 65 35 65 ये जो है डिफरेंस 4 पार्ट इज इक्वल टू 40 1 पार्ट इज इक्वल टू 10 फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ एनिमल्स इन द फॉरेस्ट फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ एलिफेंट्स इन द फॉरेस्ट इट्स 650 नेक्स्ट the weight of two friends A and B is 5:7. In some time, A's weight is increased by 6/5, and both combined increase, which is 12x, was 7/6. मतलब इसका जो है वो 6 बढ़ गया है, इसका जो है टोटल 14 बढ़ गया है, तो ये 8 बढ़ गया है. If B's new weight is 40 kg, so 1 part is equal to 5, so this is 30 kgs. What was the old weight of, it was 25. Next. 8 years hence, Beat's age will be 2x plus 10 years. So present age of Beat is 2x plus 10 minus 8 is equal to 2x plus 2. 7 years ago, Suk's age was, Suk का present age जो है वो है 2x plus 7. If the ratio of the present age of Suk and Preet is 5/4, so 8x plus 28 is equal to 10x plus 10. 2x is equal to 18, x is equal to 9. Find the sum of their present age. So 18 plus 7 is equal to 25 plus 9, 18, 20 is equal to 45. 45 is the correct answer. Next. The average of the total numbers is average of the two numbers. Average of the two numbers is this much. If 6 is added to both the numbers, okay, if 6 is added to both the numbers, the ratio in both the numbers, the ratio becomes 1/2. So x plus y जो है उसका sum is 114. If 6 is added to both the numbers, their ratio becomes plus 12. 6, 126, the ratio becomes 1/2. So 3, 4, 2, 42, 84. Find the difference between the number. It's 48. Next, the Vijay has points of denomination of 1 rupee, 50 paise, 45 or 55 paise.